connection. Awesome. Okay, jumpers. Ready. Maron, hain ka daw natin.
Ang busoro. Okay.
Luzon. Okay. Clementine Salvacion. Okay, nakuha ni. Okay. Clemente, tumira, wala. Rebound by Salvacion. Salvacion ang kadasambula. Salvacion, duro derecho, pasto. Marwan, tumira. 1 point by Marwan. Okay. Cortez, pasto Mendoza. Mendoza to Placer. Placer ang kadasambula. Placer. Placer, pasto Cos tumira. Torre, Cortez, wala. Rebound by Laurio. Laurio. Pasto Cortez. Cortez. Okay, nakuha ni Placer. Placer ang nakasambula. Placer do derecho. Tumira. 1 point by Placer. Okay. Okay, same ball. Okay, Mendoza naglabas ang bola. Pasto Clemente. Clemente to Placer. To Clemente. Pasto Mendoza, tumira. 1 point by Mendoza. Okay. Francisco Pasto. Okay, Salvacion. 1 point by Salvacion. Okay, Clemente Pasto Placer. Placer ang nagsambula. Placer. Placer, duro derecho. Tumira. Wala. Ay go. 1 point. Ay go, simple. Tawag Mr. Referee. Bartolata. First personal foul by Bartolata. Okay. Jumpers, get ready for the final playthrough by Placer. 1 point by Placer. Okay. Francisco to Salvacion. Salvacion na nagalasan bola. Salvacion, duro derecho, tumira. Wala, rebound by Amaro. Amaro to Placer. To Corte. At Mendoza, tumira. Wala, rebound by Laurio.
Laurio, ang nagalasan bola.
Laurio to Francisco. Francisco, tumukulang 2 points. 2 points by Francisco. Okay, Clemente, Pasto, Amaro. Amaro nagkarsambula. Amaro to Placer. Placer nagkarsambula. Placer. Tumira. Wala rebound by Salvacion. Salvacion. Pasto, Laurio. Laurio to Marwan. Marwan. Last touch. Simula, foul. Okay. Foul by what's the number, Mr. Huh? Mendoza. Jumpers, get ready for the final playthrough by okay. Clemente Pasto Placer. Placer ang nalulis ang bola. Placer. Ginabantayan ni Laurio. Placer, Pasto Amaro, Pasto Mendoza. Nakuha ni Francisco. Pasto Laurio. Laurio, derecho, tumira. Wala, rebound by Clemente. Clemente, Pasto.
Okay, Mendoza, Pasto Clemente, idling violation, Mr. Referee.
Laurio, Pasto Francisco. Pasto Salvacion. Salvacion, pass to Laurio tumukulang 2 points. Wala, rebound by Amaro, pass to Placer. Sambula. Placer. Placer, derecho, tumira, 1 point by Placer. Okay, grabe si Doc. Si Doc pa nag-score niya na. Okay, Lario, pass to Marwan. Marwan tumira, wala, rebound by Mendoza. Pass to Placer. Placer ang Lauro Sambula. Placer, yay! Aling kalibin ni Placer. Tumira, 1 point by Placer. Okay, Mendoza, derecho ma. Tumira, 1 point by Salvacion. Okay, Amaro Lauro Sambula. Amaro pass to Placer, pass to Mendoza tumira, wala, rebound by. Okay, Cortez tumira, wala, rebound by Salvacion. Pass to Lario tumira, wala, rebound by Clemente ang Sambula. Clemente. Okay, kicking ball by Clemente. Okay. Francisco, pass to Bartolatan. Pass to Francisco, nakuha ni. Okay, last pass by Symbol by Cortez. Okay, Salvacion. Tumira, wala, rebound by Cortez to Amaro to Placer. Okay, Placer, pass to Cortez. Nakuha ni Francisco, pass to Salvacion, tumira, 1 point by Salvacion. Okay, Clemente, pass to Cortez to Clemente, pass to Placer ang Lauro Sambula. Placer, derecho, pass to Clemente, nakuha ni Mendoza, tumira, 1 point by Mendoza. Okay, Salvacion to Lario, nakuha ni Cortez to Amaro to Placer, pass to Amaro, tukol na 1 point by Amaro. Okay, Salvacion to Francisco, pass to Lario, tumukol lang 2 points, wala, rebound by Mendoza to Placer ang Lauro Sambula. Placer tumira, wala, rebound by Cortez nakuha ni Marwan to Lario tumira, pass to Bartolata tumira, wala, rebound by Bartolata Yapon. Okay, substitution, Mr. Referee. Mariwan out. Abilita coming in. Oy, tagabalo din sa Abilita. Okay, Amaro to Placer, derecho, tumira. Okay, may salang Red, Bartolata. First personal foul by Bartolata. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Placer. Okay, 1 point. Placer. Okay, Abilita, Durode, Pasto. Okay, may user. Clemente. First personal foul by Clemente. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Lario. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Master out. Sabi, boss. Apelido mo? Boss, apelido mo? Aganan. Okay. Amaro, Sambula. Amaro. Pasto, Aganan. Pasto, Mendoza. Pasto, Cortez. Okay. Example. Marwan. Abilita. First personal foul by Abilita. Okay. Okay, 1 point by Abilita. Okay. Clemente pass to Amaro. Amaro, nakuha niya po na Abilita. Abilita, diretso. Pass to Francisco. Tamera, 1 point by Francisco. Okay, Clemente pass to Cortez. Cortez na nagdasambula. Pass to Aganan. Pass to Cortez. Tamera, wala rebound by Salvacion. Salvacion, pass to Francisco. Francisco to Lario. Lario, diretso. Wala rebound by Clemente. Clemente nagdasambula. Clemente. Pass to Aganan. Tumira. 1 point by Aganan. Okay, Salvacion. Pass to Lario. Nakuha ni Amaro. Amaro, diretso. Pass to nakuha nila ni Salvacion. Salvacion, diretso. Tumira. 1 point by Salvacion. Okay. Mendoza. Pass to Cortez to. Okay. Okay, nakuha niya Aganan. Amaro, pora. Nakuha niya Aganan. Pass to Clemente, wala. Rebound by Clemente gapon. Clemente to Amaro. Amaro, tumira. 1 point by Amaro. Okay. Francisco to Salvacion. Salvacion to Lario. 1 point by Lario. Okay.
14-11.
Okay. Cortez to Clemente. Clemente nagdasambula. Clemente. Okay, Clemente to Amaro nagdasambula. Tumira po points. Mura rebound by Lario pass to Francisco. Okay, 1 point. Amaro. Time out, Mr. Referee. Okay.
15-11 ha.
Time out by Team Placer. Okay, nakuha na Abilita. Bulong diretso. Okay, ibang foul. Counted. Diretso 1 point. Okay. Sarikon to Amaro to Placer ang nagdasambula. Placer naghanap papasan. Pass to Sarikon pumuhold ng 2 points. Mura rebound by Amaro. Tumira 1 point by Amaro. Okay, Salvacion to Abilita. Tumira 1 point by Abilita. Okay, Sarikon pass to Amaro. Nakuha ni Salvacion. Okay, lang siya. Traveling violation by Salvacion. Okay. Placer ang nagdasambula. Pass to Amaro. Tumira. Okay. Ego kita saan? Foul. Okay. Second personal foul. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Amaro. Third foul. Okay, Salvacion to Abilita to Francisco tumira sa 2 points. Wala rebound by Clemente. Okay, ito siya. Foul Salvacion. Okay. Amaro to Aganan to Placer. Placer. Tumira po 2 points. Wala rebound by Salvacion to Abilita tumira. 1 point by Abilita. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Clemente out. Pitogo coming in. Sarikon to Placer ang nagdasambula. Placer pass to Amaro to Pitogo to Placer. Tumira. Wala rebound by Aganan. 1 point by Aganan. Salvacion to Francisco. Last shots by
Symbol.
Ay, Salvacion to Rivera. Tumera, wala rebound by pass to Abilita. Okay, nakuha ni Aganan to Sarikon, pass to Placer. Grabe ni ko.
Wala, rebound by. Okay, sa nito.
Okay, last shots. Ay, Sarikon, pass to Placer, tumira to 1 point by Placer. Okay, last touch, same ball. Scored 18-15 in favor of team homeowners. Okay. Aganan, pass to Pitubo. Ang nagalusang bola. Pitubo, pass
To Placer. Okay, Placer. Placer ang nakalasang bola. Placer, pass to Amaro. 1 point by Amaro.
Roy Amaro, Salvacion ang nagalusang bola. Salvacion, duro derecho, wala rebound by Salvacion, gapon tumira. Okay. Foul, ikuakitan foul, Mr. Referee. Jersey number Aganan. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Salvacion. Wala, nakuha ni Amaro to Placer ang nagalusang bola. Placer, okay. Seven. Placer ang nagalusang bola. Placer, derecho, wala rebound by Salvacion na nagalusang bola. Duro derecho, tumira, wala rebound by Francisco Tol. Okay, Salvacion, 1 point by Salvacion. Okay, Salvacion. Sarikon, pass to. Okay, last touch by Amaro, same ball. Hello. Hello sound test. Mike, hello.
Ikaw na, dali.
Hello sound test. Lost sound. Okay.
Kadin na.
Abilita. Tumira. Okay, guwan tawag. Ang referee. 25 po.
Iwan na ini.
25.
Kadin na.
Okay. Foul by Aganan. Okay. Jumpers, get ready for the final play throw by Abilita.
Kadin na gani.
Okay.
Kadin na Ben.
1 point by Abilita. Aganan, pass to Amaro. Ang nagadara sa bola. Amaro, pass to Aganan. Okay, nakuha na Abilita, wala, rebound by Rivera, tumira po, 1 point, wala, rebound by Aganan, okay, pass to Placer, tumira, by Placer. Okay. Okay. Nakuha ni Rivera. Pasto Ray. Nakuha ni Rivera. Tumira po 1 point. Wala rebound by. Okay, Peter go to Amaro. Pasto Placer. Tumira. Wala rebound by. Okay, nakuha ni Placer. Tumira, wala rebound by. Okay, Salvacion na nagkasambula. Salvacion. Okay, nakuha ni Rivera. 1 point by Rivera. Okay. Amaro to Placer. Nakuha ni Ray, pass to Francisco to Salvacion. Okay, pass to Francisco tumira po. Pass to Abilita, tumira, wala rebound by Amaro to Saricon to Placer tumira, 1 point by Placer. Okay, Ray, pass to Francisco, pass to Salvacion tumira, 1 point by Salvacion. Okay, Aganan, pass to Amaro to Placer, duro derecho tumira, wala rebound by Salvacion to Abilita, pass to Ray, nakuha ni Amaro, ano ka sa mula, duro derecho, pass to Placer, tumira, 1 point by Placer. Okay, score 23 na yan score na 19. Okay. Blaan Francisco to Abilita pass to. Okay, last same ball. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Placer out, Danao coming in. Okay. Rivera naglabas ang bola. Pass to Francisco. Pass to Salvacion. Naglabas ang bola. Pass to Rivera. Pumukol ng 1 point. 1 point by Rivera. Okay. Pitogo. Pass to Amaro. Naglabas ang bola. Amaro to Saricon na naglabas ang bola. Saricon, pass to Amaro, tumira siya kanan, wala rebound by Danao, tumira, 1 point by kanan. May whistle pa ang referee. Okay, sino tabiri pa ang foul? Ray. First personal foul by Ray.
Pitogo.
Substitution, Mr. Referee, Pitogo out, Clemente coming in. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw. Okay, tapos na. 1 point by Danao, reserve. Okay. Same ball. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Amaro out. Mendoza coming in. Okay, Mendoza to Saricon to Mendoza. Pass to Saricon na nagkaroon sa bola. Saricon pass to. Okay, nakuha niya aganan to Clemente, wala rebound by. Okay, nakuha ni Mendoza, pass to Saricon, tumira for 2 points. 2 points by Saricon.
Scored na po.
Okay. Saricon, pass to Mendoza.
Mendoza.
Mendoza Tumeras. Wala, rebound by. Okay, same ball by Aganan. Okay, Laurio pass to Salvacion. Salvacion. Diretso Tamira. Okay, may whistle and referee. Danao. First personal foul by Danao. Okay, jumpers, get ready for the final play throw by Salvacion. Okay, rebound by Aganan. Pass to Saricon. Saricon na naon sa Sambula. Todo diretso wara nakuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza, pass to Clemente. Clemente, Timera wara, rebound by Saricon. Saricon na nakada Sambula. Okay, to Clemente. Clemente, pumukol. 1 point by Clemente. Okay, nakuha ni Laurio. Laurio. Pass to number 39. Pass to Laurio. Pass to Bartolata. Tumira. 1 point by Bartolata. Okay. Aganan. Aganan to Saricon. Saricon to Aganan. Aganan. To Clemente. Clemente. Tumira. Ikaw whistle ang referee.
Tugot ko si Damundi, si Pedinado, si Sabang. Yeah, pre.
Para makita guys. Ang seleksyon yun, seleksyon yun. Ang pinakamayo.
Ada na. Ada yung player sa Soro. Ada na kay nagkaroon ka sa player na. Si Pedinado, si Sabang. 1 point by Clemente. Okay. Na tumira si Odinya. Okay. Simbo.
Awesome. Awesome. Test mic. Hello. Okay. Mendoza. Pass
Pasok
to
din naman Mike. Grabe. Kanina ka pa daw. Pakanaman naman iba.
Pass to Saricon. Saricon to Clemente. Okay. Same ball by Odenya.
Sob. Sarikon.
Okay, Saricon. Substitution, Mr. Reverie. Saricon out. Placer coming in. Abilita. Sino ito nakapula? Short. Okay, Danao walang lasang bola. Danao. Okay, pass to Mendoza. Pass to Placer ang lasang bola. Placer. Nagana papasan. Tumira po 2 points. 2 points by Placer. Ronnie magsalok yata ito.
Okay. Okay, may whistle. Clemente. Foul. Okay, second personal foul. Jumpers,
Get ready for the final free throw. 1 point by Salvacion. 24 pa lang. Placer ang lasang bola. Placer, Tamera, wala rebound by Clemente ang nakalasang bola. Clemente, pass to Aganan, Tamera, 1 point by Aganan. Okay. Dilasala naglalasang bola. To Salvacion ang nakalasang bola.
Naka-score, 2 points.
Okay, Tamira, 1 point. Okay po, nag-2 point. Tamira si Doc Placer ang 2 points. 27 all na siya. 27 ang score. Jumpers, get ready for the final play through by Salvacion. Wilson. Okay, wala rebound by Aganan. Aganan to Placer. Placer ang nakasambula. Placer, naghahanap pa pasahan. Okay, okay, pass to Mendoza. Mendoza to Aganan. Aganan. Okay, may tawag. Bartolata. Substitution, Mr. Reverie. Holding niya out. Abilita coming in. Jumpers, get ready for the final play through by Aganan. Substitution, Mr. Reverie. Bartolata out. Pedinato coming in. Pedinato po ito, no? Okay, 1 point by Aganan. Okay. Okay, Laurio. Laurio na isang bola. Laurio to Abilita. Abilita to Laurio. Tumukol lang 2 points. Wala rebound by. Pili na to. Nakuha ni Clemente. Clemente na isang bola. Clemente luro diretso pass to Mendoza. Tumira 1 point by Mendoza. Hello, sir. Okay, Abilita, Tumira. 1 point by Abilita. Okay, Placer na isang bola. Placer. Placer, pass to Danao. Danao, Ginavar. Rebound by Salvacion. Salvacion to Abilita. Abilita. Derecho.
Okay. Huwag yan po yung Abilita to De La Sala. Tumira 1 point by De La Sala.
Elson. Okay. Clemente pass to Aganan. Pass to Placer. Placer. Ginabantayan ni Laurio. Laurio. Ang nagabantay kang Placer. Placer. Naka-derecho. Pass to Aganan. Aganan. Tumira. 1 point by Aganan. Okay. Reserve lang. Okay. Salvacion. Pass to De La Sala. De La Sala. Pass to Salvacion. To Abilita. Abilita to. Okay. 1 point by
Sugnanoy, Mendoza.
okay. Substitution po, Mr. Referee. Sino po? Mendoza out. Saricon in. All po, all. Okay. Okay, Aganan na naglabas ang bola. Aganan. Pass to Clemente. Clemente, pass to Placer. Placer. Placer, ang naglabas ang bola. Placer, tumira. 1 point by Placer. Baga na ba manggadang kamot ni Placer, ah. Okay. Laurio, tumira. Wala rebound by. Okay, nakuha ni. Okay, 1 point. One point by PD na to. Okay, Danao to Clemente. Clemente to Placer. Nakuha ni Clemente. Okay, may tawag. May whistle. Laurio. Second personal foul. Okay, Aganan to Cortez. Saricon. Nakuha na Abilita. Diretso, 1 point by Abilita. Score 31-32 in favor of Portland. Okay, Placer. Placer ang nakasambula. Placer ginaharasan 2. Okay. Okay, di lang nyo lagi magawa-gawa na doon si Duka. Buwan na kamusin na. Okay, Aganan to Placer. Placer! Duro diretso. Oh, naghanap papasahan. Pass to Danao. Danao, naghanap papasahan. Pass to Aganan. Pass to Clemente. Pass to Saricon. Ang nakadala sa bola. Pass to Placer. Placer ang sa bola. Placer. Okay, nakuha ni. Okay. Okay, De La Sala, nakuha na Abilita to Laurio, Tumira 1 point by Laurio. Okay. Sarikon to Danau, Danau to Sarikon. Sarikon naglasang bola. Sarikon to Placer. Placer naglasang bola. Okay, dua nakabantay. Okay, tumira 1 point by Placer. Okay. Okay, Abilita pass to Di La Sala tumira. Okay, nakuha ni, okay, pass to Abilita, pwede na to, tumira, wala rebound by Clemente to agana, Danau, pass to Placer,
ano ka isang bola? Placer.
okay, Lario, foul, second, third personal foul, substitution, Mr. Referee, Di La Sala out, Francisco in. Okay, aganan to Placer. Okay, 1 point by Placer. Okay talaga ni ikot ni Doc Placer ah. Okay. Okay. Okay, may tawag ang referee. Danau, third personal foul. Substitution, Mr. Referee, Placer out. Amaro coming in. Score by 33-22.
Online na 33.
32-33 yan, lama kami isa. 31 yung kanina.
Ayaw nyo pagbalay para makita ko, para may announce ko ano score. Noy, sa baba lang tabi ka mo, Noy. Noy, sa baba lang ka mo para may announce ko ang score. Okay. Sa baba lang ka mo para makita ko ang score, Noy. Okay, 1 point. 34-32 in favor of Team Coltan. Okay, Sarikon. 34 rin nasa mo. Okay. 1 point, 33-34. Okay, Salvacion na nagdala sa bola. Salvacion, Pastor Francisco tumira, 4 points, wala, rebound by Amaro nagdala sa bola. Amaro to Sarikon tumira, 4 points, wala, rebound by Aganan to Sarikon. Okay, nakuha ni Amaro 1 point. All score 34-34. Okay, Salvacion to Abilita tumira, wala, rebound by Abilita gyapon tumira, 1 point by Abilita. 34-35. Baliktad 35-34. Okay. Sige. 35-34. Okay. Kalbo, okay, Kalbo, ninimo mo, Kalbo. Okay, Kalbo, okay, ninimo. Okay, Sarikon, pass to Amaro.
Tama kagayo.
Amaro nagsambula. Pass to Sarikon na nagsambula. Doro derecho. 1 point by Sarikon. Score 35-35. Okay. Salvacion to Lario nagsambula. Pass to Francisco pass to sa Lario tumira, wala, rebound by Danau to Amaro nagsambula. Okay, may tawag ang referee. Warning for penalty. Okay. Amaro tumira for 2 points, wala, rebound by Pidinato to Abilita, nakuha ni Amaro naglasang bola, pass to Sarikon tumira for 2 points. Wala rebound by Clemente. Pass to Amaro. Amaro! 1 point by Amaro. 35-36. Okay. Salvacion. Pass to Laurio. Laurio ang nagkasambula. Okay. Asang. Salvacion. 1 point by Salvacion. 36-36. Okay. Agalan to Clemente. Clemente ang nagkasambula. Clemente to Amaro. Amaro ang nagkasambula. Amaro. Pass to. Okay. Symbol. Clemente out. Substitution Mr. Referee. Clemente out. Saricon coming in. Placer. Placer coming in. Hello. Okay. Saricon. Pass to Placer. Placer to Saricon. Saricon. Tumira. Rebound by Salvacion. Pass to Abilita. Tumira. Rebound by Francis. Amaro nakasambula. Pass to Aganan. Aganan tumira po 1 point. Wara nakuha ni Aganan gyapon. Aganan to Placer. Placer tumira. Wara rebound by Pwede na to Salvacion. Nakuha ni Laurio. Pass to pwede na to tumira. Wara rebound by Aganan to Saricon. Okay. Saricon to Amaro to Danao to Placer ano ka na sambula tumira. Wala rebound by okay. Symbol. Mr. Red. Symbol. Okay. Aganan to Placer ano ka sambula. Placer to Amaro na ka sambula. Amaro to Placer ano ka sambula. Placer tumira. Wala rebound by Pwede na to Salvacion. Okay. Traveling violation by Salvacion. Okay. Saricon na nagkasambula. Pass to Amaro. Pass to Saricon. Tumira for 2 points. Wala rebound by Salvacion. Pass to Laurio tumira. 1 point by Laurio. Okay, Saricon to Amaro to Placer. Apa. Okay. Placer to Amaro. Tumira po to wala rebound by Danao. Tumira Ginabang. Wala rebound by. Okay, pwede na to Laurio to Abilita. Tumira wala rebound by Abilita gyapon. Tumira 1 point by Abilita. Okay. Substitution Mr. Referee. Danao out. Coming up Clemente in. Francisco out. Okay, De Los Santos coming in. Okay, Aganan to Placer ang naglasambula. Placer tumira. Wala rebound by Salvacion na naglasambula. Salvacion diretso. 1 point by Salvacion. Okay. Salvacion. Saricon to Amaro to Placer tumira. 1 point by Placer. Okay, Laurio na naglasambula. Laurio, Doro Derecho. Okay. Symbol.
Lamang kami tulo ha.
Symbol. Wala po, 39-37.
Malakas yung pala si Placer. Diretso!
Okay, 40 points. Wala, rebound by Aganan. Aganan. Pass sa Ricon. Nakuha ni Abilita.
Ilalim!
Abilita. Okay. Okay, Abilita. Anak ng Sambula. Pass to Salvacion. Nakuha ni Aganan. Amaro. Tumira. Wala, rebound by Aganan. 1 point by Aganan. 30-39. Okay, Salvacion. Ano ko na Sambula? Salvacion, tumira. Okay.
Penalty na!
Clemente. Warning po, warning.
Warning!
Warning for penalty. Both side po, warning for penalty. Pareho, upat na po. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Salvacion. Okay. Salvacion, wala, nakuha ni Clemente. Clemente, pass to Placer. Placer ano ka na Sambula. Placer to Clemente. Tomera, 1 point by Clemente. All 39. Okay. Abilita to Laurio na ka na Sambula. Okay. Symbol by Aganan. Okay. Laurio to Abilita. Abilita to Salvacion. Nakuha ni Aganan. Okay. Same ball. Bulasan Colflat. Score all 39. Okay, Abilita to Amaro. Laurio na Sambula. Laurio to Pidinat. Okay. Same ball. Okay, Abilita. Okay, tumira si Abilita. Wala rebound by. Okay, Pidinato. Pass to. Okay, nakuha ni Saricon. Okay. Okay. Penalty po, penalty. Last touch malagali. Warning. Andi di penalty dito, di warning.
Penalty na sa ato! Mayor, penalty na sa
Penalty na po sa Kultan. Warning po sa Team Placer. Okay, Placer ang nagsambula. Placer. Tumira, 1 point by Placer. Score 40-39. Okay, Laurio na nagsambula. Laurio. Okay, pass to Abilita. Nakuha ni Laurio, pass to De Los Santos, tumira. Wala, nakuha ni Clemente. Pass to Placer. Ang nagsambula. Placer to Amaro to Saricon to Amaro. Pass to Aganan. Plus to Amaro tumira. 1 point by Amaro. 41-39 in favor of Team Placer. Okay, reserve lang. Opo. Okay, sige. Okay, Laurio tumira. 1 point. 41-40. Okay. Amaro Aganan. Aganan to Amaro. Amaro ang nagkasambula. To Saricon. 2 points by Saricon. Ay, Laurio ang nagkasambula. Laurio. Pasto Abilita na nagkasambula. Pasto Salvacion to Abilita to De Los Santos. 1 point by De Los Santos. Okay.
Totok, sa likod, tauhan.
Amaro to Aganan to Pasel. Okay. Last stats. Pareho, warning for penalty. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw by Clemente. Okay, 1 point by Clemente. 44-41. Okay, pili nato to Salvacion na nagkasambula. Salvacion to Abilita to Laurio pumukol lang 2 points. 2 points by Laurio. 43-44. Okay, Aganan to Placer. Placer ang nagkasambula. Placer pumukol lang 2 points. Wala rebound by. Okay. Rip. Foul. Jersey number. Penalty. Both side. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw by Clemente. Okay. Score 45-43. Okay, pili nato to Salvacion to De Los Santos to Laurio Tomera. Wala rebound by Aganan to Placer to Clemente to Amaro to Clemente. Aganan to Clemente. Tomera. Okay, pass to Amaro. Tomera. Wala rebound by Saricon. Tomera sa 2 points. Wala rebound by Amaro. Nakuha ni Clemente ni Salvacion. Anagadera Sambula. Tomera 1 point by Salvacion. 43-45. Okay. Good ball. Okay. Abilita. Pass to. Okay, counted. 35-45.
45
Free throw. Jumpers get ready for the final free throw by Salvacion.
Malamig din, duwa nakahol.
Hindi man nagkakaon. Nagkainom.
Salvacion po.
Limited na siya gainom.
Salvacion, naka-prepare na ang malamig. Okay, wala. Nakuha kaya po ni Salvacion. Okay. Placer ang nagkasambula. Okay. Nakuha na Abilita to Salvacion. 1 point by Salvacion. Okay. Aganan to Saricon pass to Placer. Tomera. Wala, rebound by Amaro ang nagkasambula. Pass to Aganan. Tomera. Ganito. Red. Rep, counted. Rep. Basket.
Continuous, continuous. Jumpers.
Okay. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Aganan. Okay, 1 point by Aganan. Okay, Salvacion, pass to... Okay,
Wow, penalty.
penalty.
Graduate si Amaro.
Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Salvacion. Salvacion. Wala, rebound by Clemente. Clemente to Placer. Placer ang nagadara Sambula. Placer. Placer, duro derecho. Kamera. Wala, rebound by. Okay, rebound by nakuha ni Clemente. Clemente to Amaro. Pass to Placer. Pass to Amaro. Tumira si Amaro. Wala, rebound by. Okay, nakuha ni Dilo Santos to Pedinato. Pass to Abilita. 1 point by Abilita. Iguales score. All 47. Okay. Okay. Amaro to Placer. Ano ka Sambula? Placer. Pass to Aganan. Tumira. 1 point by Aganan. Okay, Salvacion. Duro derecho. Salvacion ang nagadala Sambula. Salvacion. Okay. Sa baba pa lang.
Continuation.
Okay. Jumpers. Penalty.
Wala.
Penalty. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw. Pareho po penalty.
Dilo Santos. Lalanon.
Okay, 1 point.
Time out.
Time out, Mr. Referee. Okay. Yes, sir. Continuation.
Conclusion.
Conclusion.
Bawal pumasok kasi sarado. Kung opinion, pwede pumasok kasi open yun.
Okay. 48 galang score.
Salvasyon! Sandali! Wala kang salvasyon!
Okay, si Marwan. Okay. Okay, Aganan na nagkalaro Sambula. Aganan to Placer. Placer ang nagkalaro Sambula. Placer to Aganan na nagkalaro Sambula. Pass to Saricon.
Papalit kami ha!
Saricon to Aganan to Placer ang nagadala Sambula. Placer ang nagadala Sambula. Tumira po to points. Wara, rebound by. Okay, nakuha ni Lauro. Nacho, foul. Substitution, Mr. Referee.
Labas!
Marwan out.
Labas!
Francisco coming in.
Free throw! Lamang kita isa!
Free throw. Jumpers, get ready for the final free throw by Okay.
Dino Santos.
Okay, nakuha ni Amaro. Amaro na ganda Sambula. Amaro to Placer. Placer to Clemente. Clemente na ganda Sambula. Clemente pasto Aganan. Aganan na ganda Sambula. Aganan pasto Amaro. Amaro pumukulang 2 points. 2 points.
Duha ka kahon, Abir.
Tapos ang laban.